Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're actually on our way to a shop here in Houston. Actually, it's a little out of Houston. It's kind of in the Conroe area. I'm not sure if any of you guys are familiar with it, but they're actually working on one of my vehicles that I've owned for about 6 months now. So I've told you guys about it. I think on the last video I said I was going to reveal it, but we're going to go down there and check it out and see how the progress is going. They've done quite a bit of work to it. It was a bone stock vehicle. Other than the motor had a couple of little mods, but let me not say too much. I'll just show you guys when I get there. Alrighty, guys. Seen it in a long time. All right, guys, so there you have it, the GMC C1500. It's completely stripped inside right now. So far what we've done is lowered it, put the wheels on it, do some modification to the motor. Has a small block 400. Still quite a bit to go. There it is, guys. So we should have it, I think sometime in February, we should have it back on the road. Alright, guys, so here's a quick picture of when I purchased the truck back in May. I'll also put a clip of the motor and what it sounds like. It sounds pretty healthy. Unfortunately, I didn't start documenting the process of the build until recently, but we'll just start moving forward from here.
Later that same evening.
Alright, guys, so I want to show you just one of my buddy's cars. So, mint condition SVT. All right, guys, well, there you have it. My C10 was finally revealed. I've been working on it for about 6 months, like I said, but I've had a couple of projects going on, so financially I kind of stopped on it for a little bit. But we're back on the road and getting it going again. So I'll be making new content on this truck and getting a lot more stuff done to it. I'll be showing you guys and taking you guys through the process. But please let me know, guys, if you want to see more videos on the truck, on the Civic, on the Lightning, on whatever car you guys want to see more videos on. We got a lot more stuff coming to the channel, and I'm trying to get in touch with a couple of local YouTubers that will be probably getting some content done together. But again, I appreciate you guys watching, and please make sure you guys hit the notification, subscribe, and hit the like button. I'm just basically sharing with you guys my builds and what I have going on with my cars, and appreciate you guys watching. All right, catch you guys on the next one.